Hello digital art space family and friend, and welcome back to this new tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can use the Madcap Easy Pose to create a new character or design a new character from the pre-existent model. Without further ado, let's get started. In our previous videos we used the models to create female character. This videos has been well appreciated on the internet, and thank you again for showing that much interest in this topic and for showing how eager you are to learn new thing about 3D model, manga, drawing, and if you want to learn more about those topics, you are welcome in this channel, as we are formally hoping that after watching the video you guys could really be inspired. By using your reference 3D model to create your dream character, we will give you a brief introduction on how to use Madcap Easy Pose, and then we'll go to Medibang to retrace our drawing. If you are new to Medibang, we'll explore with you how you can import your pictures on your canvas, rescale it and lower the opacity, and work with mesh tool on your illustration. If it's something that you need to know, please stay tuned with us until the end, and I will show you how you can be inspired also by this 3D model to create many original characters for your next manga. Let us open our Madcap Easy Pose. We go to the jest version and select our male character. I use the X, Y, Z axis to allow me to move the character joint in the desired position. Do not worry if you feel like this is going too fast. I have already created a videos where I explained in detail how you can upload and work with your character. The link will be provided here and also in the description part. Now we will opening our Medibang software. You will reach to that page, so you press new and you create a new page. You check the size of your canvas. On our case, a 8 by 11 inches work well for us. Now we will import our images. There is two ways to do this, either by open the image directly in the app and then paste it as a layer, or select the option open the image as a new layer, and then we select the image that we want to work with and then we click OK. So here is the image. Let's us use a model image, in this case Kenshiro from the Fist of the North Star, created by Tetsuo Hara, as we want our character to look like him with same muscle structure. Now using the move tool, let us position our image the way we want inside of our canvas. As you want the image to be a bit bigger, we will go to selection tool and press transform, and we can drag and out up in the corner of the selected image to change the size. Do not forget to click OK in lower box that appear below to apply the change. We do the same with our 3D model image too, trying to give it the same size with the previous one. After overlapping our two images in the canvas, we decrease their opacity. We go to the layer of our 3D models and go to selection and mesh transform. We use really small subdivision like 12 columns by 12 rows to be able to modify the body with greater precision by dredging or moving around the intersection spots. We continue with this process by taking our time until a new character pop out the scene. Let us put our first new drawing layer on top, and let's start the fun part, the drawing of our character. Let us decrease the opacity of those two image layers and start drawing the head. You can use any pen or brush that you like or are comfortable with. In my case I use the sharp pen. After finishing drawing the head, we will attack the torso. With a red color we will recompose the anatomy of this body part in a new draft layer, as the stretching with the mesh has created some asymmetrical or unrealistic anatomy. This is why it is important to know a bit of anatomy to be able to correct those small mistakes if they rise. We then come back to our drawing layer and continue our drawing, so for the sake of this video I will try to speed up the process a little bit. So here it is a simple easy step. If you enjoyed this video so far, please give us a big thumbs up, and after that we create a new layer. We put it on multiply mode that will allow us to add the shadows. With this process we can create many characters. So I hope you enjoyed this video and please be inspired. Thank you for watching.